Okay guys, here's the kitchen to size and scale. A couple adjustments right off the bat is the microwave. Putting it in the island right here and doing a hood above the range. Maybe a little bit better look. And this one is with the upper cabinets that are 37 inches tall. This isn't, I don't have those exact window measurements, but this is just a walkthrough with one possible idea. So the only big change is the hood, the appliance hood, and putting that microwave in the island, and then cabinets on the back. Because in the plans, the cabinet case is the same size, 48, and I think 64 long and 48 deep front to back. So you could still do a foot overhang in the back for bar stools, and this is just some seasonal storage. Or we can shorten these up. They don't have to be 24, maybe cut them down to 18 inches or 12 inches and do the overhang on the back. But I know in those original plans it was beadboard on the back, but we can do cabinets here. Pantry. These are glass doors, dishwasher, Lazy Susan in the corner, your range, and then this hood or microwave is centered, so these doors are the same width, and then your fridge here. And if that wall is removed, I'm assuming that wall in question was right here maybe, fridge leg that's paneled on the side here. So if we shorten the cabinets to the top of them being at 84, and that rendering I just showed you, the top of that was the top of the cabinets, where it would be at top of the crown would be at 96. So with these, the top of the cabinet is 84, and then the crown molding would add about 3 inches. And just looking at the picture that you sent me with that window ending about here. So this is the same as the one I just showed you. We just shortened the cabinets. Everything else is the same. And on the island front, again, this is the microwave, a drawer below it, trash pull-out, a drawer above it, and 3-drawer stack on the left. Laundry room. If I understood right, this back wall is 66, washer and dryer below, and these are 36 inches tall. And the hall cabinet, 84 tall, and that cabinet comes out 36 inches and is 24 deep. All right, let me know what you think, and if you have any changes, let me know. Thanks, guys.